like this video, and subscribe or Shrek will visit you tonight. The bomb worked. The bomb worked. Vander. Staying fit enough to rip everyone threatening his family a new one. Keeping the peace between Piltover and the lanes. Raising 4 children on his own. Running a successful business in the shadiest part of town. Facebook. Meter. My name's Meter. Nice try. Facebook. Arcane. League of Legends. Honey, it's time for your weekly 40 minutes of trauma. Yes honey. Me watching Arcane for the first time and having no knowledge about League of Legends. This is some serious gourmet shit. Nobody. Nothing. Echo whole arc 1. Jayce to Heimerdinger in episode 6. The future is now. Old man. Every character having a tragic backstory. Caitlyn, you know, I'm something of a misfit myself. When I ask my jungler for a gank topside business ain't my concern. People who don't know the lore. Oh look, there are crows, because it's dark and eerie there. People who know the lore. Arcane Act 1. Arcane Act 1. If powder had a gun. The Senate will decide your fate. I'm the Senate. New fan. Arcane. Well, I like you, but I'm kinda scared of that guy. League of Legends. League of Legends. Arcane. I don't even know that guy. Arcane. League of Legends. Look at me, brother. Jason Victor. Heimerdinger. Counselor. Me after finishing Act 2. We are gonna need to watch that again. Arcane watcher playing LOL. Wesilco. How I'm feeling. I've only had powder for a day and a half, but if anything happened to her I'll kill everyone in this room and then myself. Watching Get Jinxed in 2013. Watching Get Jinxed in 2021. Hey Heimerdinger, sorry I'm late, I was doing stuff. It's okay, I'm a stuff. OMG. Victor. Haha Jayce, you are danging my assistant. Arcane / League theorists. Mel does literally anything. Is this LeBlanc? Takes down part of their characters. Blizzard Entertainment. Makes part of their characters. Riot Games. Victor. While you were doing darks I studied runes. While you were engaged in premarital sex I practiced the arcane. While you spent months at the gym for the sake of vanity I used Hextech. Now that the demons are here you're all unprepared. Except for me. For I studied Glorious Evolution. Violet to Powder. Oh dear. Oh dear. Gorgeous. Violet to Clagger and Milo. You ducking donkey. No great science should ever put lives in danger. Meanwhile in Heimer's lab. So you see, that's where the trouble began. That smile. That damned smile. Me. Arcane. Anyone who will listen. Me after episode 1. Me after episode 3. LOL fans being introduced to Get Jinxed in 2013. Jinx listening to Get Jinxed in 2021. That's me. Vi at the end of every act, I time my head out. When the other team's jungler successfully invades you, kill me if you have to. But please spare the lanes. Friendship ended with Jayce. Now Singed is my best friend. The Glorious Evolution. Victor. The sex. This pill will give you R34 Jayce. This one R34 Vi. Caitlyn. Skip the intro. Or draw 25. Me while watching Arcane. Me seeing Echo first appearance in Arcane is him working on a clock. Theorist. Shipper. And series enjoyer every time new act released. Oh, yeah. It's all coming together. Meanwhile on Netflix. Squid Game. You took everything from me. Arcane. I don't even know who you are. Holy shit guys. Arcane collaborating with League of Legends. Arcane Comet. Damaging a champion with an ability hurls a comet at their location. Or, if Arcane Comet is on cooldown, reduces its remaining cooldown. Watch this. Lice. You can actually pinpoint the second when his heart rips in half. Victor. Dying. People of Zorn. Suffering. Jayce. Wheel dang okay. Babe, please stop posting about Arcane and come have sex with me. 2 likes, so this one's a danger. When your jungler has been AFK farming for 20 minutes and finally decides to gank someone, welcome to the lanes. Powder. My monkey bomb finally worked. Violet. You have to work. For me. Okay. 10 haunting photos taken moments before disaster. Heimerdinger at 307. Me at 21. Shout out to female enforcers thighs. Gotta be one of my favorite genders. Thought we wouldn't notice, but we did. Monkey sees action. Neuron activation. Haley Steinfeld, champion of the undercut. Defending Eternals. Defending Arcane. Why do we have hands? There are many reasons. Pad the victor. Hold the victor. Cherish the victor. Forfeit all mortal possessions to victor. Babe, please stop posting about Arcane and come have sex with me. The mutation must live. Why do we have hands? There are many reasons. Pad the Vi. Hold the Vi. Cherish the Vi. Forfeit all mortal possessions to Vi. The team up in Arcane Act 3. So what are we? Some sort of League of Legends? Triple kill. Triple kill. This Hextech dream of yours has the potential to do that. Our Hextech dream. 1 monkey bomb. Enough explosive power to level Piltover. Lift Zorn and create another big dang. Give me a reason to live. Okay, thanks. Jayce. Victor. Are you building Rabadons? Victor. No. Jayce. And what about this needlessly large rod? Midada. Jayce. I raised that boy. Me after episode 3. Arcane Watchers. Victor is such a nice dude, I guess he's like a support in the game or something. League players. Yes. If you don't love me at my, then you don't deserve me at my. People who don't know. People who know. I did it, Vi. I saved our family. Average Hextech fan. Average glorious evolution enjoyer. Whoever dared to throw Vi's bunny on the pipes. Vanda. I've only had Vi for a day and a half, but if anything happened to her I would kill everyone in this room and then myself. Male. Intelligent. 2 moles on the face. Hot. Succeeding in life. Me. Male. Not so much. 2 moles on the exact location. Not. Haven't even start working. Hey. You awake? I haven't slept since the Arcane premiere. So now shut up. Vi didn't have the gang tattoo on her neck as a teen. She must have gotten it to remember her friends. Me with no social skills trying to befriend the quiet kid at school. We can be loners together. Watching Get Jinxed in 2013. Official music video. Get Jinxed. Watching Get Jinxed in 2021. Official music video. Get Jinxed. Why do we have hands? There are many reasons. Pat the Jinx. Hold the Jinx. Cherish the Jinx. Forfeit all mortal possessions to Jinx. Finally, at long last, a video game adaptation that didn't snack. You did it. You crazy son of a butch. You did it. Victor in Arc 1. Victor in Arc 2. Lie down. Try not to cry. Cry a lot. Arcane episode 3. Alice in Borderland episode 3. Ducking me up emotionally. Girls, I can't believe he didn't cry at the Titanic. Do men even have feelings? Voice. Don't look at her. Look at me. Woman is temporary. Hex core is eternal. When I recognize some champion, but don't remember his name. Jinx gets a triple in League. Jinx gets a triple in Arcane. Me after watching first 3 episodes of Arcane. I've only had Victor for a day and a half, but if anything happened to him, I would kill everyone in this room and then myself. Me after reading the lore. We'll all be dead so soon. This better not awaken anything in me. Hey, I'm Justin Bieber. And hey, I'm Victor. Me in episode 1 recognizing Vulpes and Freddy Gomez from Fallout, Anna from Overwatch and Saxton Hale from Team Fortress 2 having the time of my life. Vi. Take care of Powder. Violet, don't leave. I need you. You did this? I was only trying to help. Jayce episode 2. Jayce episode 4. Fan expectations. Fortish Productions. See this level of detailed animation on my face. Fan expectation. Fortish Productions. This will always mean it's time to shut up. Finally, some good ducking spell punk. You can't do this to me. You know how much I've sacrificed. Me playing League in 2013. I've only had Jinx for 1 day, but if anything happened to her I will kill everyone in this room and then myself. Me in 2021. We're all gonna die. So you see, that's where the trouble began. That smile. That damned smile. When you realize Evelyn was in Arcane the whole time. Powder. Blows up her whole family. Vi. Gets mad at her. Powder. She's not my sister anymore. Cast it into the fire. Destroy it. No. Arcane is ducking fantastic already. Change my mind. No one. Jinx to Vi. Why did you leave me? You have to work. For me. Okay. It's enough to make a grown man cry. Going to bot lane in Arcane. Going to bot lane in LoL. Corporate needs you to find the differences between this picture and this picture. They're the same picture. The body of Caitlyn and Vi shippers producing dopamine during episode 5. 200,000 units are ready, with 1 million more well on the way. Heimerdinger when he finds his long lost mother in Zorn. POV. You just finished episode 3 and goodbye started playing. I'm crossing over to the dark side.